Welcome to this video exploring how cascading power failures occur and how blackouts can spread across a grid. At the heart of a cascading failure is the domino effect. When one component fails, power shifts to other lines. If those lines become overloaded and trip as a result, the blackout begins to spread. A cascade often starts with something small. It could be a transmission line fault, equipment failure, a lightning strike, a generator shutdown, or even human operational error. Electricity never stops moving. It simply finds a new path. When one line fails, the power is redirected to the remaining infrastructure, often pushing it beyond its capacity. Consider the math behind an overload. If 5 lines share 1,000 megawatts, each carries 200 megawatts. If one line fails, the remaining 4 must absorb that power, bringing them to 250 megawatts each, exceeding the 240 megawatt safety limit. This creates the protection paradox. Safety systems are designed to protect the grid, but they can trigger a collapse. When relays disconnect overloaded lines to prevent damage, they push more load onto other lines, causing them to fail as well. A grid faces 2 primary types of system instability: frequency instability, where the grid balance fails, and voltage collapse, where power pressure drops. Frequency instability occurs when load exceeds generation. If the grid frequency falls below 50 Hz, the system begins to struggle with maintaining a stable balance. Voltage collapse follows a dangerous path. As voltage drops, motors draw more current, which increases the demand for reactive power, causing the voltage to drop even further. Sometimes the interconnected grid must split apart, a process called islanding. In these sections, high generation can cause frequency to rise, while high load causes it to fall. To combat this, the grid utilizes under-frequency load shedding. This is a deliberate process where the system sacrifices certain neighborhoods to save the integrity of the entire grid. Ultimately, we see a vicious cycle. A fault occurs, power is redistributed, lines overload, protection systems trip, and the cycle repeats. Time is the enemy. Electricity moves in milliseconds, faster than any human can react, leaving the grid to control its own fate through automated systems. The electrical grid is a marvel of engineering, delicate, powerful, and balanced. Cascading failures are not one massive event, but a series of local incidents. If you enjoyed this look into grid technology, please like, subscribe, and share this video.